California fires are taking over. It's now the largest and deadliest wildfire in state history.
So, how many structures has the fire destroyed? How many people was hurt by the fire?
Including facts and information about fires, this fire have destroyed 10,000 structures, including homes. There were 82 deaths from one alone. 1.6 million hectares have burned.
So, is the fire still burning? Is it contained?
Just the other day it was identified to be 100 contained, but could cost billions to repair. See you again at the next news.